Hello everyone, it's me Khurram here for you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make the face mask at your home to get rid of the oily skin. So guys, if you are having the problem of the oily skin, then this video could be helpful for you because here I will share with you how to make it and how to apply on your skin. So guys, I'm gonna divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients. The second part, it would be related to the ingredients and the quantity, and my third part where I will let you know how to make it and how to apply this on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our first part of the video where I will share you the benefits of the ingredient. DIY face mask made using Fuller's Earth is quite popular for soaking oil and the dirt from the oily skin surface. It is also very effective for treating acne and pimple, which more often than not are the result of excessive sebum production by your skin. The mask also uses rose water that helps cool down irritated skin and also maintain the pH level, preventing further breakouts. The lemon juice helps control oil production and also improve skin tone. These were some benefits of the ingredients. Now we are moving to our second part of the video where I will let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So for this mask, we have needed only 3 ingredients. Number 1, we have needed the Fuller's Earth. Number 2, we have needed the rose water. And number 3, we have needed the lemon juice. So guys, for the quantity, for our first ingredients, Fuller's Earth, we have needed 2 tablespoons. And for our second ingredients, rose water, we have needed the 1 tablespoon, and for our third ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed the half tablespoon. So guys, these were the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will let you know how to make it and how to apply on your skin. This is 2-step method, and the step 1 is combine Fuller's Earth, lemon juice and the rose water. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 1. Number 1, pour 2 tablespoons of the Fuller's Earth in a bowl. Number 2, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Number 3, add around 1 tablespoon of the rose water. Number 4, mix all the ingredients to form a spreadable paste. You can add in more rose water if needed. So guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to our step 2, and our step 2 is apply the clay face pack once weekly for oil-free skin. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, apply the thick layer of the face mask, leaving the area surrounding the eyes. Number 2, keep the mask on for 10 minutes or until it dries completely. Number 3, wash it off with the warm water. Number 4, follow it with a light moisturizer. That was the simple and the easy procedure to make this mask at home to get rid of the oily skin. So guys, here I'm gonna suggest you one thing. You may apply this mask once a week to get rid of the oily skin. So that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other interesting and the useful solution. Till that time, take care.